Have you ever wanted to buy something online but didn't have a credit card or debit card? Maybe you're concerned about your privacy or security. Or maybe you just don't have a bank account. If so, then you might want to consider using a paysafe voucher. Paysafe vouchers are a prepaid payment method that can be used to make online purchases. They're safe, secure, and easy to use. In this video, we'll show you how to use a paysafe voucher to make a purchase online. We'll also discuss the benefits of using paysafe vouchers. So, if you're interested in learning more about paysafe vouchers, then stay tuned. What is a paysafe voucher? A paysafe voucher is a prepaid payment method that can be used to make online purchases. It's like a gift card, but it can be used for a variety of different things, such as online shopping, gaming, and gambling. Paysafe vouchers are available in a variety of denominations, from $5 to $500. You can purchase paysafe vouchers at a variety of retailers, such as grocery stores, gas stations, and convenience stores. How does a paysafe voucher work? To use a paysafe voucher, you simply need to enter the voucher code at checkout. The voucher code is a 16-digit number that is located on the back of the voucher. Once you have entered the voucher code, the payment will be processed and the funds will be transferred to the merchant. Benefits of using paysafe vouchers. There are a number of benefits to using paysafe vouchers. Safety and security. Paysafe vouchers are a safe and secure way to make online purchases. Your personal information is not stored on the voucher, so there is no risk of your information being compromised. Convenience. Paysafe vouchers are easy to purchase and use. You can buy them at a variety of retailers, and they can be used to make online purchases at any time, from anywhere in the world. Privacy. Paysafe vouchers are a great way to keep your online transactions private. You don't need to provide any personal information when using a paysafe voucher. Flexibility. Paysafe vouchers can be used for a variety of different things, such as online shopping, gaming, and gambling. Affordability. Paysafe vouchers are available in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the amount that is right for you. How to purchase a paysafe voucher? There are a few different ways to purchase a paysafe voucher. Online. You can purchase paysafe vouchers online at the paysafe website. Retail. You can purchase paysafe vouchers at a variety of retailers, such as grocery stores, gas stations, and convenience stores. Phone. You can purchase paysafe vouchers by phone by calling the paysafe customer service number. How to use a paysafe voucher. Once you have purchased a paysafe voucher, you can use it to make online purchases. Here are the steps involved. Go to the website of the merchant you want to make a purchase from. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Proceed to checkout. Enter your paysafe voucher code in the payment field. Click the Submit button. The payment will be processed and the funds will be transferred to the merchant. Tips for using paysafe vouchers. Make sure that you have the correct voucher code. The voucher code is a 16-digit number that is located on the back of the voucher. Make sure that you are using the correct currency. Paysafe vouchers are available in a variety of currencies. Make sure that you are using the voucher before the expiration date. Paysafe vouchers have an expiration date that is printed on the back of the voucher. If you have any problems using a paysafe voucher, you can contact paysafe customer service for help. Paysafe vouchers are a great way to make online purchases safely, securely, and conveniently. They're a great option for people who don't have a credit card or debit card, or who are concerned about their privacy and security. If you're looking for a safe and convenient way to make online purchases, then I recommend using a paysafe voucher. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and have a great day.